SHALANE and I ran cross country together in college. She felt that she didn't have the energy she needed to train at her highest level. If she hadn't changed her diet, she wouldn't have been able to extend her career and go on to win the New York City Marathon. As we sat down to this amazing meal of new recipes I had learned in culinary school, I had an amazing aha moment about food and what it meant to eat healthy. I just on a whim said, maybe we should write a cookbook together someday. The rest of the dinner conversation was dreaming about our cookbook. Superhero muffins, the fan favorite from both of our cookbooks. They're indulgent and nourishing. We use a lot of healthy fats from the almond flour and butter and eggs, so they're really sustaining. They keep you fueled for going after all your dreams. We like to eat them in the morning to have energy all day. Quality of life, quality of food, getting outside in nature, these are things that really matter to our family. At the beach. Athletes tend to think of food in terms of simply fuel, but food is so much more than that.
Good. Okay.
I often have people tell me they don't have time to cook, but investing time in the kitchen truly is an investment in your own well-being. When you choose the right ingredients, you're choosing the foods that have the power to heal your body.